Welcome and a very cheery good morning. Get comfortable in a seated position, eyes closed with spine long, so that your breath can easily travel down to your abdomen to waken up your body and oxygenate your entire system, ready for a happy, full day. Take a breath in and hold for a few seconds, allowing it to soak into your body. Exhale with ease. If any thoughts arise in your mind or you start planning ahead for your day, know that you are the master of your thoughts and can harness them by inwardly looking down towards your abdomen and by coming back to your breath. Inhale, abdomen rising. Exhaling, abdomen falling. Be aware of yourself sitting in your chair or on your cushion. Take a breath in and hold for a few seconds, allowing it to soak into your body. Exhale with ease. Take a moment and be aware of your body in the room. And then return to your awareness on your body sitting on the cushion or chair. Breathe in and hold for a few seconds, allowing the breath to soak into your body. Exhale with ease. Settle inwardly as you continue to breathe in your own rhythm. The sanctuary within you is a peaceful place. Connect with this peacefulness now. Bring an ever so gentle smile to your face as you sit quietly, aware of your breathing. In this moment, feel gratitude in your heart for this fresh start and easy-going morning. You are setting up your day in a wholesome way. Set the intention to take moments to visit your inner sanctuary during the day. The gateway is your breath, and believe that today is a day full of spontaneous opportunities, a day full of joy. Take a breath in and hold for a few seconds, allowing it to soak into your body. Exhale with ease. Find your own time with the following breathing pattern. I will give plenty of space between my direction for you to be able to participate with ease. Let's begin. Inhale to the count of 3, hold and exhale to the count of 3. Inhale to the count of 4. Hold and exhale to the count of 4. Inhale to the count of 5. Hold and exhale to the count of 5. Repeat the sequence again, counting for 3, inhaling, hold, exhaling, then counting to 4, inhaling, hold, exhaling, and then counting to 5. You can do this in your own time and rhythm. Excellent. Next, what I would like you to do is count the seconds as you inhale for as long as you can. And then exhale out of the mouth and contract your belly, expelling the breath fully. Then return to your own cycle of breathing. Let's repeat that. Count the seconds as you inhale for as long as you can. Then exhale out of the mouth and contract your belly, expelling the breath fully. Return to your own cycle of breathing. That brings our time together this morning to a close. Thank you so much for spending it with me. If you've received some value from this meditation, please leave a comment or click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel where you can explore many more meditations. Breathe, wear a smile, and take moments to inwardly connect with yourself throughout the day. Blessings galore for peace and joy, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.